Hi guys, let's discuss how to use this multifunctional button on the speaker Marshall Emberton II. But first, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful content. First of all, you can press this button and hold it for like a couple of seconds till you hear a voice signal and the indicator turns red. That will mean that your speaker is powered on. Let's try it out. Okay, now the speaker is working. So now let's discuss some features about this gold button. First of all, you can pause and play back the music. I will show you now how it works. So you need to tap once on this gold button and your music will play back.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, man, you must be kidding.
Now when you press one more time, it stops. Also, if you wanna switch to the next song or to the previous one, you can tap here on the right side of this button. I will show you now how it works. So, as you can see, the songs are switching. Also, you can change the volume of your song. You can increase the volume or decrease. I will show you now how it works.
Can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her on.
So to increase the volume, you have to press this gold button up, just like this. To decrease the volume, you have to press it down, just like this. Also, if your speaker makes a voice sound, that means that you are reached to the maximum level of volume. Now you know all the best features of this speaker. Thank you for watching this video.